Hello there! Welcome back to another tutorial with me. I am so glad to see you again. I'm so glad to see me again here a week after my last video. What? I know I'm giving you whiplash, man. This frequent uploading is not like me, but I think you guys deserve it. You guys are great. So here it is, another video, another glam look. Where am I going? I'm actually going somewhere this time. I'm going to an engagement party. So, you know, they said no jeans. So I'm not wearing jeans. So I'm gonna show you how you can get this look. It's very simple, similar lines as the last video, and showing you some new products that I'm using, some old favorites, and you know, we're gonna have fun together as we did last time. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. As I always say, it really helps. Your girl gotta keep the lights on, you know. Who am I kidding? Ain't no bills getting paid with this. Anyways, just like and subscribe. It helps and it's encouraging. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below and I will answer you. And please keep coming back like you always do. I love you guys so much for that. So enjoy the video. It's pretty simple. I hope you can follow along. And please show me your glam looks if you recreate this look as well. Okay? Take care. Have a good day. No, not a good day. Stay here, enjoy the video. Okay, bye. So we're starting off today with eyebrows already done. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to apply my favorite foundation, which is the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in this shade New Caledonia. I really like this foundation. Matches my skin perfectly. So we're just gonna be putting that all over the face, including the neck. Just wanted to clarify, it might look like my foundation doesn't match my neck, but it's because my neck is darker than the rest of my body because of skin issues I'm having. So the foundation is a perfect match with my chest and the rest of my body, just not my neck. Also, the light is very bright, so it makes my face stand out more, in case you were wondering. Now I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. That was a mouthful to say, which I was actually running out of when I was filming this. And I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, and a little bit of my forehead. And then after, we'll blend it out with my beauty blender.
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso and I'm going to contour my face. Now I'm going to take the darkest shade here in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette and I'm just going to darken the contour along my cheekbone as well as my jawline and a little bit on the sides of my forehead. So now that we're done blending everything in, it's time to set it in place. So I start by setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Medium Deep. However, I ran out of it, so I had to use a backup. So I'm using the Bare Minerals Translucent Setting Powder. Even though it might look a little bit pale on camera, it actually blends in beautifully with my skin. If you watch my last video, this next step is exactly the same. I'm going to take this dark shade of eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette and use it to set all the places that I put the cream contour before. I like to do this because I find that it just sets it better and it looks good in pictures. Now dust off all the excess powder and take this wonderful Morphe continuous setting mist to help all the powders I put in my face melt in and give me this nice even complexion. So as always, I like to start with my crease color, so I am taking the shade Mugshot from the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I am just sweeping that into my overall crease area. Next, we're going to go into the Bling Boss palette and take the shade Sparks with that same brush and also apply it into our crease. Now we're going to take this dense eyeshadow brush and dip it into the shade Mystic, or I should say tap it into the shade Mystic, and pick up our dark purple color for our smoky eye. So we're going to start from the outer corner and take another brush and blend. What we want to do is pat, 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 and then blend, blend, blend. You want to blend into your eye, but also a little bit towards the outside to give you a little bit of that winged shape, because I find that smoky eyes are nice when they slightly fan out in a natural way. Now we're going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, taking that purple shade on the outside, which I think is called Proxy. I'm wrong, it's called Rowdy. And I'm just basically doing the same thing, patting it over the other purple. Now we're going to move on to our transition dark shade, which is this purple shade called Rockstar, which I'm putting into the middle of my lid and kind of covering all over the lid, blending it with the dark purple that's on the outside. And the reason I'm doing this is because later on we're going to put the shimmer shade over it, and I always like to put a dark color underneath the shimmer shades. I find that it makes them pop more, and when we blend it, I don't know, it just looks good. And here, this is a shade Pizzazz that I am putting only on the middle of my eyelid, and it's also going to help with that blending of the shimmer shades later on. Now I'm going to take the shade Ballsy from the Bling Boss palette, and I'm going to tap my brush into it and apply it on the inner corner to the center of my eye. But the color's not coming out the way I want it to, so I am going to wet the brush with the same setting mist that I used earlier. And that's going to make the pigments pop and the color look exactly the way I want it to. Next, I'm going to take the shade Glitz and Glam with a smaller pointy brush that I'm going to apply on the inner corner of my eye. I'm also going to wet this color so that it pops more, and basically it's going to be like my first inner corner highlight. And now for the finishing touches, I am going to take this pointy pencil brush tap it into the color Bling Bling, and put it all the way onto the corner of my eye as the final inner corner highlight. And now I'm going to pass underneath my lower lash line with all the colors I used in my crease, as well as the colors I used to make the smoky eye. So it basically, I find it just closes up the look. It joins my bottom lash to the upper part of my eye, and I think it looks good. Again, like I said in my last video, this doesn't look good on everyone, and not everyone should do it the same way. So try and figure out the way that works for your face. Boom! Look who's back. Botty Moon! Yeah, shout out BWBCO. Now we are going to put on some blush. This is the Champagne Pop slash, I don't remember the name of the blush, but it's from Becca Cosmetics. Really cute rosy blush there. And I am going to apply the highlight as well. The Champagne Pop is a very nice highlight. Becca is really, really good. If you guys want highlight, Becca for sure. Same with Fenty Beauty, but Becca's got it going on for a while, so yeah. Check them out if you don't know them. They're at Sephora. Woo! Your girl is overdosing on that highlight. But you know what? It's okay. No highlight is too much highlight when you're going to a party. That's facts. And last but not least, we are getting to our lips. So I'm lining my lips with the Pitch Liner from ColourPop Cosmetics. It's a really nice dark brown, and I love it when I want natural looking lips. And you'll see how with the mixture of colors I'm going to do, I achieve that. Now to finish off, a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and the beautiful, beautiful shade it comes in. And we're gonna put a little bit of the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe on the center of my lips. And that's pretty much it. Was that hard? I don't think so. Kind of fun, right? It's always fun to get glammed up when we're going somewhere. So next time, if you have somewhere to go to, try this look out. I promise it's not crazy. You will look good and you'll have fun getting ready. My favorite part about going out is getting ready, to be honest. So there you have it. One thing I want to mention, I put it in the comments in my last video, is that these lashes from BWBCO, I have a special promotion for you guys. Basically, Samantha, the owner, she's offering you guys the lashes at special reduced prices. I'm going to put all the details below, but basically if you want to get yourself a pair, email her at the email that I will put below, mention that I referred you, Makeup with Jojo, and you will be getting those special prices. These lashes are amazing. I love them very much. I almost wore a different pair, but these ones are so nice. I was like, why would I do that? So you guys get yourself some, enjoy them like I do, and yeah, let me know if you get yourself some too. We'll be twinning. All right, thank you guys so much for watching the video today. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye.